on the road fast with what's happening now. Your lawyer wants me to give you a very low or free bond, but I can't. You are wanted out of another state. You are an inherent flight risk. And the problem is, any bond I set here now, because of the nature of this case, you're going to have to pony up a majority, if not all, of the bond because you're wanted out of another state. The thing is if you don't have anyone to pony up that money, if your mom is a single mother, she's probably working her butt just to make it survive. You think she has enough money to just pony up money to get you out? This is what you need to think about when you start running with the wrong crowd. Because if you ain't got anyone to pony up money to get you out, you're stuck like Chuck until whatever happens with you. And I'll tell you now, more people plead guilty just to get out than they should. Because no one's going to wait 5 months just to fight a case. I don't know what an appropriate amount is, Greg, but it has to be sufficiently high that he's going to go back,
But he's got to go back. Where is he going to stay here? He doesn't,
How?
he doesn't have anyone here.
How's he going to get back?
Gets out, calls his mom, and his mom provides transportation.
Have you talked to mom to see if she...
I'm going to call mom. I was going to see what the bond was, see if she can get him out.
Call mom. I want to know if she's going to come here and pick him up, and then we'll talk.